Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to export audio from a video in CapCut. So once you have a video on your timeline, guys, and you're ready to export it, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click the export on the upper right hand side. And from here, you want to go ahead and name the file whatever you want. So you can simply name it audio or something. Now from here, you notice that you have the video unchecked and you also have the audio unchecked. So all you have to do is just ensure that you check the audio and then uncheck the video so that the video will not be exported, but the audio alone. You can choose the format, whatever you want. I'm going to leave it as MP3. And then from here, just simply click on export. It will take a couple seconds depending on how long that audio is. And once this is done, you can open the folder where it is stored and you will see that the audio is exported. And right now, if I play it, you can see that it's working fine. Free VPN on your Windows 11 PC. And that's it, guys. That's all you can export the audio from a video file using CapCut. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.